Hey YouTube, this is Tina with Charitable Couponing, and I just noticed something I wanted to bring to your attention. Um, I get in the mail on Tuesdays, I get the Smart Source insert that comes in Sunday's paper, and I don't know if the paper that we will get on Sunday will have a different Revlon coupon, but there is a huge moneymaker deal at Rite Aid starting on Sunday where when you buy two Revlon Beauty Tools, then you'll get a $4 up reward, and you're gonna need this coupon. However, this is on the binding of this right here. It says 7/29, so that's when it's supposed to come out. And this coupon actually expires 7/29, and I don't know if that's a typo, but that means that we have only one day to take advantage of that deal. Um, so Sunday will be the only day to make money on Revlon Beauty Tools unless I'm incorrect about any other coupons that are out there. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up and let you guys know what I noticed, because I'm sure probably a lot of you um, wouldn't expect to see the expiration date as the same date that the paper comes out. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please note below. Thank you.